Here at Drumbane Road level crossing in Craigavon with Craigavon. I bet the alarm is still faulty on the other side, I can't hear it. Yeah, it's still faulty. You can't really hear it as much, so maybe I could do the far part. Maybe I can. Yes, it's basically it's still faulty. I don't think you can hear it, but that has got more worse. That has. So basically, that is getting worse every single way. So, like I said, at the Margley Road tomorrow, I'll be going to Wales. I'm very excited, and I meet my friend, and then I'll go to Bournemouth, and then Bournemouth South, and I'll meet my friend Junior, hopefully, which is JBS of Cousins UK, and pretty much on the 20th there's a Cambrian Express, so maybe I'll go to Teaguin or Harwich Moor to get that. Goodness me, that alarm's got worse. Since I just got finished right out of it, and then you may hear it, but I can hear it. Oh, maybe it's slightly better if I can go over here. There you go, that's better, you can hear it now. Oh, drain. I would not like to draw my phone in that, because that'll be terrible. In the wet. So that alarm is still faulty over there. Warbling as heck. Indeed, but at least this one here is still normal though. You can go right here into it, and then you can't hear that one there. It's a lovely tone, that is, at least that's not broken yet. Right, so 1544, and this is for your 1545. No less is from Victoria Street to Portadown. I think it's, yeah, that has got worse on your side. This one here is alright, that's normal. Here it is. Here it is. 3,000. $3017 to Portadown. And there we go. Well, that went a little quicker than. I think I'll see you next video. Hello, good to see you again. Well, trying to lick my camera. So basically that alarm right there is still faulty, and of course that bar right there is still doing it. Of course that was scary. So like I was just saying, so that the alarm is still faulty, and the bar is still doing its own fault. Hello, moo-moos, cows, getting very fat there. Well, they must be pregnant. I think a tractor must have been here because there's all of these mud right here. Maybe that's one there. So gotta go. I'm gonna be waiting for the street, and I go. So see ya. Sorry to leave you, but I'll be going to Wales tomorrow. So good to see you another time. So when I go to Wales, that's gonna do it any sec. So I'll be coming back on the 24th of August, which will be very exciting. There goes, so that's getting loose, that is. Train's coming. Right, the tunnel was 1557. This is for your 1600. No, not just from Portadown to Bangor. But that has slightly got more worse. have to go back now. There's an unexpected closure. He did not tell me late, so I had to go into the car and look at my sore foot. And then the cousin just went off again, so hopefully it will double stay here. That's still faulty. Just please double stay. Because I will really want to hear that when it's double stay. It's coming that way because it's taking up roof well. Right, so 1601, and I don't know what this service is. It must be a service to Nuri. That has to be one of the most ridiculous alarms I've ever heard in my life. Oh, there it is. So no, train knows now, so it's not going to double stay. Yeah, it's not going to double stay.